Hi everybody. Miss Kruger and I, we miss you guys so much. I can't even believe we're in this situation. You know, we've been teaching for a very long time and this has never happened. But we're gonna make the best of it and we're gonna show you some examples on video here. I have my daughter helping me. She's holding the camera, so thanks, Ashley.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we're gonna start with just some basics because, as you know, you're starting high school in the fall and you'll all be in Algebra 1, and one thing that you will do year after year, simplifying numerical expressions. So if you're home, why not just review those basics, get really good at it, and so we'll do a couple examples together. Here is my first example that I want you to be writing down in your own notebook. So the expression is 6 times 2 to the second power minus 12 divided by 3 minus 8. So if this is my expression, I've got a lot going on here. I have multiplication, I have an exponent, subtraction, I have division, and I have subtraction again. So if I go through the order of operations, which is looking for any parentheses, I have no parentheses. Looking at any exponents, you have to simplify the exponent first. So that means this 2 to the second power, which means 2 times itself, so 2 times 2 equals 4. You have to simplify that part first. So we have 6 times 4 minus the 12 divided by 3 minus the 8. Remember, in math, you should always approach it like reading from left to right and just keep simplifying, combing through. Now relook at what you have. Don't look back up here. Look at what you have. Multiplication, subtraction, division, and subtraction. This multiplication is going to need to be simplified before you do your subtraction. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 4, which is 24, minus the 12, divided by 3, minus the 8. Now I have subtraction, division, and subtraction. I don't want to do any subtraction. I have to do this division first. And of course, what kind of 12 is this? It's a negative 12. I have a negative 12 divided by positive 3. Still ends up being a negative 4. But I have 24 minus 4 minus 8. So now I just take the 4 away, take the 8 away. So 24 minus 4 is 20 minus the 8. 20 minus 8 leaves me with
12.
12. Very good, Ashley. Okay, so let's do another example. This one's going to be maybe a little bit more complicated. I have 7 times 2 squared minus 20 divided by 5 minus 2 to the third power. So this is a good one to remember what that exponent means and then what this exponent means. So once again, no parentheses in this one, but I do have an exponent here and an exponent here, so we're going to have to simplify those first. Don't multiply 7 times 2. You got to do 2 squared first. So I have 7 times 2 times 2, which is 4. So 7 times 4 minus the 20 divided by 5. I'm not going to do anything yet. Minus this 2 to the third power. What does that mean? It means 2 times 2 times 2. Of course, 2 times 2 is 4. Times this last 2 is going to be your 8. So minus 8. Now I have multiplication. I have division. I have subtraction. So let's multiply first. We have 28 minus 20 divided by 5 minus 8. Now we have to do this division. So 28 minus 20 divided by 5 is 4 minus 8. 28 minus 4 is 24. 24 minus 8, Ashley, would be? Come on, girl.
16.
Very good. 16 is our final answer. All right, let's do one more.
That looks like a triangle.
It does. It's like a triangle, upside down triangle. I always tell my students to perform their math like they're sentences from left to right and down. And it should be getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter like it's a triangle. Very good.
Or it looks like an ice cream cone.
Yes, that's even better, an ice cream cone. All right, last one. 7 times 2 minus parentheses 10 divided by 5, close the parenthesis, minus, what number should we put at the end there? Let's make it a bigger number.
14.
14?
Uh-huh.
Sure, 14. Okay, ready? Well, we have this 7 times 2, but I also have parentheses, so what should happen first? Parentheses. 10 divided by 5. So I have 7 times 2 minus. Do I need these parentheses anymore? No. I just have to put a 2 there because 10 divided by 5 is 2.
Because 5 times 2 is 10.
Right, and then
It's
I
just
minus
the opposite.
14. What is this? 7 times 2 is?
14.
That's right, 14 minus the 2 minus the 14. What's 14 minus 2?
12.
What's 12 minus 14?
Negative 2.
Very good. All right, you guys, let's do some practice. Talk to you later. Bye. Hang up.